Hello, everybody. Welcome to the OA Plus collaboration platform. I've set up this sample site to illustrate some of the features in the OA Plus platform. I've called it ABC, Social Business Collaboration Site. This is the opening page. You can choose what opening page you like, but this is the one I've chosen for the test site. It's the dashboard page. And as you can see, there's a video right here. All you have to do is click it, and it will show at a glance very quickly the features of the Open Atrium platform, which OA Plus is built upon. You can see you could add a blog entry, add a book page, add a case. These are for the project management features. The discussion is basically to communicate with your team members or people who are members of your collaboration platform. Your calendar will allow you to add events. Your folder is for, of course, containing key files and folders and files, basically, of the projects that you're working on. So let's just begin here and take a little bit look further. I'm just scrolling down to show you the recent activity is shown. And you can see my name is listed here in a number of places, just showing the entries that I've made. Off to the right is the calendar area. At a glance, it shows you the key activities that are going on. So you can just have a look at that. And then there's recent comments. This all appears on the dashboard. Now I'll take you over to the notebook, and the notebook is very important because it's really where the hierarchical or menu structure is organized. And as you can see here, I've created 8 menu items. When they're darkened like this, that means there's subfolders within them, or sub-menu items, I should say. So as you can see, there's an instruction how to move around on this site. And then I've populated it with some topic areas that I thought might be useful to understand. Workplace learning, collaboration, and innovation. So that's a strong theme of the process and also the product that my partner and I are going to be bringing to the community, the small and medium-sized business community, as well as nonprofits. And the next item is program planning and collaboration, which is our common activities within any organization, regardless of the service that they're in. I put in some resources around what is a social business and what is it about to become a social business. You're working with people, so your partnerships, and they can be formal or informal. So there's some material in there about that. So let's just take another look here. I'll just open up this, for instance, to show you what that looks like. How to move around in this site. I've basically listed the steps that you can follow. And just you could have that as a guide as you explore the site. But like so many of these programs are intended for you to click and learn on your own. So I don't think it'll take you too long. I'll just quickly walk through the features of the OA Plus collaboration platform here. This is our blog. And again, a blog is more for in-depth discussions where you're making a clear case or a position or opinion, or it's not a discussion where you're communicating. So it's more of a content-rich entry or a post. In this post I've put up here, this is an embedded video from Marcia Connor, who wrote the New Social Learning book, A Guide to Transforming Organizations Through Social Media. Wonderful speaker, wonderful book, and a great guide for businesses and organizations looking at using social media as a transforming agent. So that's your blog. Here's your calendar. And again, you can just see quickly, here's an entry here, but if I wanted to add something here for tomorrow, I think it is, you just add an item and Up it comes, so we can give it a title. We're going to have a come and go office party. Since it's the holiday season, please come by and visit for a while. So, and we put over here, it's the type of meeting. Let's call it just a meeting. And of course, you can keywords just to find these. I'll put in holiday. That's the type of event it is. And you save it. Always save. And here's the people that you could add or include in your message. I won't check any of these boxes because this is just testing it. Again, this can be saved right here or up on the right. So I'll just save that to illustrate how that calendar item is. See, there it is right there. Come and go office party. Here we have our discussion panel, or discussion tab, I should say. This is just populated with gobbledygook. But example title there is looking for great ideas for a project. So people are talking or asking, what's our next project? What new ideas do you have? If you wanted to look into that a little bit further, all you need to do is click on it. And as you can see, the full post is visible at this point, and there's a commenting field. So a whole discussion can ensue with multiple people through the comment thread. All you have to do is edit it, and you can edit the actual original entry and the revisions will be changed and saved. Or you can just add a comment and a new comment will be added to the original just by adding it here. Of course, this is your full-featured WYSIWYG editor. You can, as you can see, these are all bolding, italics, underline, pasting the URL links, little smileys, lots of fun things. This is spell checkers. When you're pasting from Word, it's important to use this because it strips away unnecessary code. And here's a plain text, which does the same thing. So you'll find that very user-friendly. And again, better take that off. And the people are, you can indicate who you want to receive this note or all of them. Notify all users. And you can also attach files. Just choose from your computer. This is your list of members. And here's a feed reader that I think is very useful. I haven't entered any, but you can put, if depending on your project, you might have feeds from key resources that you'd like to populate in here, and you can have them handy at a glance for your members to look at. A case tracker is your full-featured project management component, and as you can see, there's, well, here, I'll just show you a little bit more. I've created an ABC conference planning. It's assigned to Brent Tuesday, August 23rd, some time ago. Hopefully I'm not too late on it. But here's how you can get into that a little bit deeper to start commenting or responding to it just by clicking on Edit. And here you see the title, the conference goals, who's it assigned to? It's assigned to Brent. And my purpose here, finalize the goals so all activities contribute to the conference goals. Okay. It's just a way you can click on the priority setting, high, normal, or low. Is this an open item or is it resolved, deferred, duplicated, or closed? It's a general task or a feature request, or is it a bug? Something's wrong with the system somewhere that you're wanting to have resolved. So that's basically it. Again, you could choose files to attach and send them to selected people. This is a little shout box. It'll allow you to quickly, it's basically instant message to the group that you're working with. It could be out of the office today, respond to all queries, on Monday. You know, something simply like that. It's taking its time to open up here. And maybe I'll just skip that for a second while it's loading. Here's the folders. And the folders is basically your file attachments, you're basically a storage where you can contain the key documents that you're using for your project and your collaboration. Now this could be expanded, of course, attaching files to this folder, just add them. You can create, similar to the notebooks, like a menu structure here. And the idea is to organize it to suit your purposes. So that's it for the OA Plus collaboration platform. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough. Please give me a call or a shout out if you'd like to learn more about this platform. Bye for now.